What is sUSD? sUSD is a synthetic USD token enabled by the SYNTHETIX protocol. It tracks the price of the US dollar through price feeds supplied by Chainlink's decentralized network of oracles. sUSD is integrated across the DeFi ecosystem as one of the most liquid decentralized stablecoins, including at Curve. It can be traded without slippage for other assets native to the SYNTHETIX protocol at Quinto or SYNTHETIX exchange. SUSD price live data. The live sUSD price today is $0.994214 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $24,658,901 USD. We update our SUSD to USD price in real time. sUSD is down 0.40% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is 392, with a live market cap of $130,609,885 USD. It has a circulating supply of 131,370,034 sUSD coins and a max supply of 142,399,574 sUSD coins. If you would like to know where to buy sUSD, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading in sUSD stock are currently Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io, Uniswap, V3, and Uniswap, V2. As of 2021 December 31, Friday current price of sUSD is $0.99399 USD. By looking at the very recent price changes in sUSD, our price prediction system predicts sUSD could be roughly $0.99555 USD tomorrow as a closing price. Based on the sUSD historical price data, we predict the sUSD price could be $0.99399 USD at the end of the year 2022. Also, it could be $0.99399 USD exactly 1 year later today. In the next 3 years, the highest level sUSD price could reach is $1.37369 USD, and the lowest sUSD price could be $0.61429 USD. According to our calculations, at the end of 2023, we expect the sUSD price would be around $0.99399 USD, while it could easily end up at price levels $0.99399 USD at the end of 2024. When we calculate the sUSD near future price prediction at the end of 2025, we surprisingly find out a remarkable value of $0.99399 USD per sUSD. Also check sUSD future price and sUSD target price data.